chikno endo ma idwaro mamondo mi ko jogo matiyo ne piny owacho mondo mi koro ogwe tao ay koro odhi ochung' e yiero go mag dwe mar 8 ka koro en owuok kendo dhi laro kom nendo mar Suna West kaka jaod bura.
It means now the fish farmers have not yet a place to sell. During this short time I've been here, if you go to Suna West, a place called Nyailinga, you'll find construction of poultry processing plant is ongoing. The hardware I call is complete because the construction is on. So what is remaining is importation of machine because it was international tender. It is still ongoing and very soon it will start working. You go to the same Suna West in a place called Gribe, that's where I was visiting. We did a mega dam called Gribe Dam. This Gribe Dam is going to irrigate almost 100 acres of land. It is complete, and even the tanks have been constructed. So what is remaining is just commissioning so that it can start working. Same with if you go to Kude East, there's another Siabai Dam, almost complete. You go to Nyatike, we have North Dam, which was also grew around 100 acres. We are waiting for the funds to come. It has been commissioned, but we are waiting for the funds to come so that the construction can continue. When it comes to extension, during my tenure, I managed to employ 32 extension officers. And also, after employing 32 extension officers, we've tried to go digital. The digital, I mean, you can track over 15,000 of our farmers, what they are doing, how they are doing things, and also you can train them using that platform.